Welcome to day 88 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a win, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. This 1 hour fair value gap that you can see right here, and then the volume area that you can see right here. I mean, you can only see the line, like the consolidation was somewhere in the past. I don't remember when it was. And I entered on an impulsive move away from the volume area. So right here, it was a good impulsive move. I entered, my stop loss was below this second volume area. It was also of some other consolidation in the past. And the reason for that was because I thought that there might be possibility for price to kind of go up maybe to this area and then consolidate, go down into the second volume area and then react and go up. And so yeah, I gave it a bit of breathing room. My take profits were at the monthly open as well as the swing high. And let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was also a win, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, this 2 hour fair value gap, and the monthly open, which acted as a support level right there. I entered on an impulsive move away. I would have entered right here on this candle actually, but I fast forwarded too much, so I only entered on this candle, which was also fine since it was a good break of structure, good impulsive move. So, and of course, away from the monthly open, and only once it was inside of the golden zone. And yeah, my take profit was at the swing high, pretty simple. So let's just see how the next trade goes. The next trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 1 hour fair value gap you can see right here, then the equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. At first I did the equilibrium like from this, since the impulsive movement started right here, but then I looked at the 4 hours, and as you can see in the 4 hours it looks more like it started from here, since this is the only swing low at this area. And then I entered on a impulsive move, or what I saw as an impulsive move away from the volume area, since because of this huge wick, and then followed a decently, I mean, it wasn't that impulsive, but it was like after such a huge wick, I thought, oh yeah, it might just go up. And my take profit was at the swing low, swing high. My stop loss was below the volume area in case, yeah, no, it was just below the volume area. And I think the reason as to why I got stopped out was because of this fair value gap. It was not a, let's say, valid fair value gap, because as you can see right here, it went into it, then it went out, reverse before going up there. And then you can also see the monthly open still, that it was kind of acting as a support level right here. Then it broke through, retested it, and acted as a resistance level, and now price is going to go further down. And I think just in general, like I said, fair value gap was kind of off. The equilibrium felt kind of awkward because I would have liked to place it right here, but in 4 hours it was just completely out of nowhere. So I guess those are the reasons as to why I lost. And yeah, let's just see how the next trade goes. And the last trade of today's episode was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were 3 hour fair value gap, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low. And then I entered on an impulsive move away from the volume area. Impulsive move was right here. I entered one candle too late because I was fast forwarding too fast. Stop loss was above the volume area with a lot of breathing room. My take profits were number one, this volume area inside of the fair value gap, and number two, at the swing low. And the reason as to why I got stopped out was, as you can see, because my stop loss was too tight, and I was actually considering about moving my stop loss like to this or to this area, but just somewhere above the volume area, because as you can see, this 3 hour fair value gap really huge, and I think there was an order block in like some 2 hour or just in any other higher time frame. And so I was really considering, but I got greedy and wanted to place my stop loss as tight as possible. And also, I couldn't have taken my first TP, which was, I thought it was good because it was inside of the fair value gap and also a volume area. So I thought it was a strong take profit, but it was stupid. Because of that reason, I didn't move my stop loss to above the volume area, and I got stopped out in the end. So yeah, I gotta learn from that. That's just what happens sometimes, and we'll see you in the next one.